Let me ask you something straight. You have spent years saving for retirement. You want to travel. You want freedom. But you do not want to drive something that feels like a city bus. You do not want to worry about clearing bridge heights, tight campground turns, or finding a parking spot at every stop. What if the answer was simpler than you thought? This is the 2026 Roadtrek Play, a Class B camper van built on the RAM ProMaster 3500 chassis. $142,625 starting price. And on NextGen Motorhome today, we are going to tell you exactly what you are getting for that money, and exactly what you are not. Engine, drivetrain, real-world performance, towing, fuel economy, and the straight verdict on value. Let's go. The foundation. The 2026 Roadtrek Play is built on the RAM ProMaster 3500 window van chassis. This is the same platform we covered when we reviewed the Thor Sequence. So if you watched that video, some of this will be familiar, but stick with me because the Roadtrek takes this platform in a different direction. The ProMaster 3500 on the standard 136-inch wheelbase gives the Play a total exterior length of approximately 20 feet. Width is 81 inches. Height with the standard roof is around 95 inches, under 8 feet. That matters. Under 8 feet means you clear most parking garages, most campground trees, and most drive-through ATMs without measuring twice and praying once. That is genuine everyday usability. The turning radius on the ProMaster platform is 36 feet, best in its class. In a campground with tight turns, in a busy city parking lot, in a national park with narrow roads, 36 feet of turning radius on a 20-foot van is genuinely easy to manage. You will park this vehicle places you would never attempt with a Class C or Class A. The engine. The 2026 Roadtrek Play is powered by the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine, producing 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, paired to a 9-speed torque-flight automatic transmission with front-wheel drive. Now 276 horsepower through a front-wheel drive layout in a van that weighs around 8,500 to 9,000 pounds loaded. The power-to-weight ratio is workable. Not impressive, not effortless, but workable. Here is the honest reality of this engine in this application. On flat highways at 60 to 65 miles per hour, the Pentastar V6 is smooth and quiet. The 9-speed transmission finds the right gear, keeps RPMs low, and the Play cruises comfortably without drama. That is 70% of your driving right there. Interstate miles. Flat terrain. Cruise control set and enjoying the road. Where you feel the limitations is on grades. Extended mountain climbs at altitude, particularly with a loaded van or a trailer behind you, will require patience. The V6 will work harder than a diesel would. You will hear it. You will slow down on the steepest sections. This is not a surprise if you understand what a 276 horsepower gasoline engine is doing on a mountain road. It is a manageable limitation, not a deal breaker, but it is something to factor into your travel plans. The 9-speed automatic is one of the genuine strengths of this platform. 9 ratios mean the transmission always has an intelligent gear available. Highway overdrive for efficiency. Multiple lower gears for climbing or engine braking on descents. The shift logic on the ProMaster's 9-speed is smooth and confident. You do not feel it hunting or slipping the way older RV transmissions could. It is a modern commercial-grade gearbox engineered for exactly this kind of work. Front-wheel drive. We covered this in the Sequence review, but it bears repeating for buyers who are new to the ProMaster platform. The Play is front-wheel drive only. No AWD option on this model. The front-heavy ProMaster actually handles wet roads and mild winter conditions reasonably well because the driven wheels are under the weight of the engine. But if your travel plans include serious mountain roads in winter, loose gravel forest service tracks, or genuine off-pavement exploration, front-wheel drive on a van chassis is a real limitation. Plan your routes accordingly. Fuel economy. Real-world numbers from ProMaster-based Class B owners on this platform. Highway at 60 to 65 miles per hour on flat terrain, 14 to 17 miles per gallon. Mixed driving, 12 to 15 miles per gallon. Mountain terrain with grades, 10 to 12 miles per gallon. Compare those numbers to a Class C on the same road. The Class C gives you 10 to 14. The Class A gives you 7 to 10. On a road trip where you put 4,000 miles on the van in 2 weeks, the fuel cost difference between a Roadtrek Play and a Class A is real money. Over years of ownership, that number gets significant. The ProMaster runs on regular 87-octane gasoline. No premium fuel required. That is a small but real daily cost saving. The fuel tank on the ProMaster 3,500 window van platform holds approximately 24 gallons. At 15 miles per gallon on the highway, that gives you a realistic range of around 320 to 360 miles between fill-ups. Not the longest range in the segment. The Mercedes Sprinter diesel platforms stretch further between stops. But for a gasoline Class B, it is adequate. You are stopping every 250 to 300 miles on a loaded trip with some grades. Factor that into your planning. The lithium battery upgrade for 2026. This is significant, and it is new for the Play series in 2026. Roadtrek now includes 300 amp-hours of lithium batteries as standard on the Play Plus configuration. 300 amp-hours of lithium at 12 volts is 3,600 watt-hours of usable energy. That is enough to run the 11,000 BTU air conditioning unit, charge devices, power the refrigerator, and run lighting for several hours of off-grid camping without plugging in or running a generator. For buyers who want to camp away from hookups, at state parks without electric sites, at dispersed camping locations, at national forest sites, this lithium battery standard equipment genuinely changes what the Play can do off-grid compared to the lead-acid systems that came before it. This is not the 16,000 watt-hour system in the Gretsch Turismo Ion that we reviewed last video. But 300 amp-hours of lithium is a meaningful real-world upgrade for the price point. The Play is also solar-ready from the factory. You can add a rooftop solar panel through Roadtrek or aftermarket, and the charging system is already wired to accept it. For buyers who want to extend off-grid capability over time, the infrastructure is there. Towing. The 2026 Roadtrek Play carries a trailer hitch rated for 5,000 pounds on the ProMaster 3,500 platform. 5,000 pounds on a Class B van. That means a small boat, a motorcycle trailer, a lightweight car dolly, a small utility trailer. Manageable, practical towing for the kind of companion trailer most Class B buyers actually want. What you are not doing with this van is towing a large boat, a heavy toy hauler, or a full-size car on a flatbed. Those applications belong to a Class A or a heavy-duty truck. But 5,000 pounds is enough for most buyers in this segment. The warranty. Roadtrek backs the 2026 Play with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty on the coach itself. That unlimited mileage clause is important. If you are a full-timer putting 20 to 30,000 miles a year on your rig, a mileage-capped warranty runs out fast. Unlimited mileage means the warranty covers you for the full 2 years regardless of how far you drive. The RAM ProMaster 3,500 chassis now carries a class-leading 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty for the 2026 model year. That is a landmark change from RAM for this model year, and it is directly relevant to buyers who plan to keep a coach for a decade or more. The price and value question. The 2026 Roadtrek Play starts at $142,625 US. The Play Plus is $146,875. The Play Slumber is $147,750. The Play Tuff, which adds the blacked-out exterior treatment and some adventure-focused trim details, is $153,625. How does that compare in the market? The Thor Sequence on the same ProMaster platform starts at $151,900. The Winnebago Travato, also on the ProMaster, starts around $145,000. The Coachman Beyond starts around $130,000. The Roadtrek Play comes in at the entry end of the Class B market on the ProMaster platform. That is a competitive starting position. What Roadtrek brings to that price point is 40-plus years of Class B coach building experience. The new 300 amp-hour Lithium standard on the Plus, a best-in-class ProMaster turning radius, and the 2-year unlimited mileage coach warranty. What you give up versus moving up to a Mercedes Sprinter-based Class B is the diesel fuel economy advantage, the AWD option, and the more premium driving dynamics of the Sprinter platform. The cost of entry to that Sprinter world starts around $185,000 and goes up from there fast. So who is the Roadtrek Play for? It is for the buyer who wants a practical, easy-to-drive, easy-to-service Class B at a price point that makes sense. It is for the man who wants to park in normal parking lots, fit in standard campground spots, fill up on regular gasoline, and drive something that handles like a van rather than a motorhome. It is for the couple that does not need AWD or diesel range, but wants a reliable, proven platform with real warranty coverage and real off-grid capability from the new Lithium system. It is not for the buyer who wants to go off pavement. It is not for the buyer who wants diesel fuel economy. And it is not for the buyer who needs a larger footprint or a slide-out. For those buyers, different tools exist. But for what the Roadtrek Play is designed to do, it does it well, at a price that is honest for the segment. Go test drive one. The ProMaster FWD platform has a specific driving character you have to experience. Tighter than you expect. More agile than you expect. And when you park it at a campground and the coach behind you is 38 feet of class, but trying to fit into that same site, you will understand why some buyers specifically want this kind of machine. That is the 2026 Roadtrek Play. Verified numbers, straight talk. If this video helped you think through your decision, hit the like button right now and subscribe to NextGen Motorhome. Every week we break down another American motorhome exactly like this. Drop a comment below. Are you looking at the base Play, the Play Plus with the Lithium upgrade, or the Play Tuff? And how important is the new RAM 10-year powertrain warranty to your buying decision? Tell me below. Safe travels, gentlemen. See you in the next one.